Stasera vai e corro con lo vento a grapire le porte della storia. Stasera voglio dare un buon momento, la vita, lo passato e la memoria.
Hello everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Bread and Kitchen. Yes, today the landscape is different because we are in Sicily, and for this reason I would like to share a special content, something from my land, a reproposal of one classic of our culinary culture. It's sort of pasta alla norma, maybe some of you knows, and it's a reinterpretation. Came from my mom, which is homemade ravioli with eggplants, cherry tomatoes and fresh herbs. Very simple, few ingredients, and the result is astonishing, guys. So stay with me and I will guide you step by step through this beautiful and Sicilian recipe. So first part, start with the mixture, because we have to prepare our eggplant. So take it and we remove skin if you don't like it, and we cut into cubes. We put everything inside a bowl, a big salt, covering with a dish, putting on a weight. Why? Because it has a bitter liquid inside. We don't want this final result. I suggest to leave at least the night before or half day. Apart, I cut fresh mint, adding just for a bit of freshness, for a bit of color. We add the red egg, salt, from the bowl we can move to the board till we create a homogeneous ball. We cover with a towel and we'll leave in a fresh environment for at least half an hour. Back to our eggplants for the mixture. We take a rectangular pan, we put our eggplants and the part of cherry tomatoes. We bake them for almost an hour, 200 degrees, 220, depends on the size, and we'll leave them. So while they are cooking, we back to our pasta. We use in this case a machine. You can use your hands if you want. We have a machine. It's like more simple and faster. The machine has different levels, from the thicker to thinner size of pasta. So we start from the highest level, and gradually we will make thinner our pasta. Till we get the first layer, and we fold it, we decrease the level of the machine, so on till we get the volume we want. we lay on the board, and now we have our mixture. So we took our eggplants, we put inside the bowl fresh herbs, in this case basil, mint, green pepper. I grated before, like on the mortar. Parmesan, a bit of salt, so then we taste it if we like it, everything okay. We start putting on our pasta layer. Once everything is done, we fold on and we close it. We use our roller and we shape our ravioli. Adding from one side, we put a pan with the water and we wait. Meanwhile, we prepare the garnish for our ravioli. We take like another pan, olive oil, garlic, and we toast till we get golden brown color. So when it's ready, we put our part of cherry tomatoes. When the water is boiling, our ravioli 8 minutes. Now when they are ready, we pour into the pan with the cherry tomatoes and we finish them. We move to the decoration. We take a plate, we put our ravioli. We had, do you remember, the tomato we baked in the oven? So we have this combination of consistency of tomatoes. One is like more fresh, more crunchy, that one is toasted, and when you bite it explodes inside your mouth. Fresh herbs, parmesan. Guys, dish is ready. And really few ingredients, then fill all of them, and the pasta or ravioli is so soft. It's an explosion of flavors inside, and the freshness of basil and the contrast between the fresh cherry tomatoes, the baked ones are gorgeous, guys. I hope I brought a bit of Sicily, a bit of this vibe to your home, and thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this format. Just let me know if it is, because I will focus more on it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Ciao a tutti.
Stasera vai e corro con lo vento